Now, the next packing cube that we have is the one from Amazon Basics. And so this one doesn't compress and it just feels a lot more flimsy. I feel like over time, if I had to choose like which one's gonna wear out or rip the easiest, it's probably gonna be the Amazon Basics. But if you think about it though, if you're not traveling all too much, let's say you travel like once or twice a year and you're just looking for some simple packing cubes, this will do the trick. All right. So it doesn't compress though. It does have a handle. It does have an open mesh material up front so that your clothes can breathe. And so it's still a decent packing cube and it's a good beginner packing cube. But if you want something that's gonna last you a long time, I would recommend something else. But overall, it does do the trick though, as far as organizing your clothes though. This just doesn't compress the clothes down.